Here are 3 things you can do to make your business more attractive. Provide a sense of meaning. Millennials don't care that the CEO writes a big check to the charity as part of their give back program. They want to be part of a movement. Local charities are of particular interest because younger workers feel a strong sense of connection when they engage in local volunteer activities. Give them autonomy. Focus on the desired results, not the way that the task is completed. Millennials are not only the most educated generation, they understand in the technology in a way that helps them look at and solve problems differently. Instead of letting their lack of experience cloud your judgment about their skill level, listen to them and their ideas and help them feel like a valued team member. Be real. Millennials can quickly spot when an organization is just going through the motions. Company culture is not a one-time event. Look for ways to encourage conversations between workers in different age groups. Develop a mentoring program and a reverse mentoring program where employees can learn from each other. Ask employees what they want and do your best to deliver it. It's vital that your millennial employees understand that your company cares about more than just making a profit. Let them know your company is committed to making a difference for today, tomorrow, and the future.